So who am I speaking with?
Hi, my name is Beth Massi, and I work for Microsoft on the Visual Studio team.
And you have a new product that came out. Tell me what this is.
Right. Yeah, I work on a team called the BizApps team within Visual Studio. So we do all the tools in VS around business applications, and a new product that we just announced that's out in beta now called Visual Studio LightSwitch. And it's all about building custom business applications for small, medium businesses very quickly. And what's really cool about it is it's built on best practices that probably developers are already building on today, like Entity Framework and RIA Services and Silverlight. So it's kind of an application framework plus a design environment, just basically to create Silverlight applications very quickly.
So give me an example. What can you build really quickly with your environment?
Okay, so take an example of like a small, video store is a bad example because Netflix will probably consume them, but or
There are still some video stores. There's a video store in my neighborhood that still exists. So even though Blockbuster isn't doing well, I've seen a few neighborhood ones.
right, or a pizza shop, or a small business that really just needs to track anything, orders and customers, or you have those types of applications all the time. And so, or you're in maybe a department within a large enterprise, and you have some asset tracking, or inventory management, or things like that you're probably doing maybe in Excel already, or something that's not so not as easy to maintain. And so you want to create an application quickly. And so that's basically what it's used for.
So you can create inventory management apps pretty quickly with your system. Yes? How fast could I make an app like that?
Well, it just depends on how complex your data model is. Really, if it's a simple data model, we built an app in an hour. A really pretty full-fledged app for managing patients and prescriptions and products. So it was pretty easy. So if you want to start from scratch, you have to build your data model. Otherwise, you can consume databases that are already existing. You can even connect to SharePoint sites. We did that. You can connect to existing SharePoint sites, or anything that the Entity Framework provider will support. Oracle, DB2, any of those databases. You just load an Entity Framework provider and you can attach to any database that you want.